Hey guys, I'm Selena. I'm going to sing Set Fire to the Rain, a bit of it by Adele. I let it fall, my heart, and as it fell, you rose declaiming. It was dark, and I was over her until you kissed my lips, and it saved me. My hands, they were struggling, but my knees were far too weak to stand in your arms without falling to your feet. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true, and the games you play you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I knew that was the last time I lay with you. I could stay there, close my eyes, feel you here forever. You and me together, nothing is better. But there's a side to you that I never knew all the things you say they were never true, and the games you play you would always win. But I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name. Your name. Sometimes I wake up at the door, that heart you know must be waiting for you. Either I and you're already over. Sometimes I'll just be waiting for you. I set fire to the rain, watch it pour as I touch your face. Let it burn while I cry, 'cause I heard it screaming out your name.